subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Dutch smartphone maker Fairphone has launched its new modular phone called Fairphone 4, which is claimed to be ethical, reliable and sustainable. Talking about the specifications, the Fairphone 4 features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a tall 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU, and it packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 2TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Fairphone 4 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX582 sensor plus another 48MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view, and it also includes LED flash and a 3D TOF sensor. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 25MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with Sony IMX576 sensor. The device comes backed by a large 3905 mAh battery with 20W fast charging support, and it runs on stock Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810G compliant. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162 by 75.5 by 10.5mm, and it weighs around 225 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Fairphone 4 has been priced for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at €579, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at €649. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from October 25th in green, grey and speckled green color options. So what do you guys think of this Fairphone 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.